Hello, I'm Pietsch, the designer of the MRX5 car, and I explain you a little bit about the new 1/8 scale design. We have a completely new car with aluminium bulkheads. We designed special uprights in the front with a new system. The brake is now on the rear solid axle, and the arms are with a new design similar the right and the left side. So you only need one part for repair the car. Also new is we have a RC module for the servos, and you can change the complete module with a receiver and both servos. I explain you a little bit the news of the new car. I start with the new servo saver. It's adjustable with this screw, and you see here is a scala for the adjustment. This is a new transponder holder, but it's not different. It's only a new design. Here you can see the radio plate. The new radio plate is possible to make soft for the flex of the car, and also with two screws to make it harder. Also we have a RC module with a receiver and both servos inside. You can change it only with 3 screws like in the buggy car. This is our new upright system. You have only the pivot ball in the lower side like in the normal car, and in the upper side is like in the rear with the pivot ball mounted like this way. Okay? And you can change the angle of the upright with changing the carbon part. Also you can change the steering Ackermann with this carbon part. And the left and right side the same. Here you can see the complete car. The anti-roll bar in the rear is mounted now on the rear side, not on the gearbox. In this picture you can see the car from the lower side, and you can see that you can adjust the balance of the car with weights here and here, also here and in these positions. Also the flex of the chassis you can adjust with the battery plate. It's mounted here with 4 screws, and it will be one in carbon and one in normal material. In this picture you can see that the uprights have shims which makes the rims sealed, so the air cannot go through the wheel. Okay, here you can see again the anti-roll bar in the rear, the extenders for the here you can see the extenders for the roll center. It's easy to change because you have to only to pick out the extender, change it and put it inside. This is the bulkhead of the rear. You can see the brake pads, also in the rear solid axle, and you can change the rear solid axle with only 4 screws like in an electric touring car. So it's easy to change the rear belt, and also in the front it's the same. This is the rear solid axle with the brake shim. Here you can see the front upper arm. It's the same system like in the rear upper arm with the left and right springs. This is the front lower arm, and here you can see the new carbon part for the shocks. With this part we have the possibility to go more outside with the shock mounting, because the material is more, the stability is bigger than with the plastic, and so we can go more outside. The same is in the rear arm. Here you have 2 positions to change the mounting of the shock.